Hello again, it's Magpie Maker here. Today we will be unboxing and testing a Parkside wood burning tool set. Product number PBWK30A1. It says on the box it's a 16-piece set. It operates at 30 watts and has a working temperature of 550 degrees C. It also has a 3-year guarantee. I'll just read the back of the box here. It says it's for decorative inscriptions and creative embellishments on leather, wood or cork. The wood burning tool has a non-slip soft grip elements. It has a practical storage stand. It has 7 writing and drawing tips for various strokes. It has a stamp set with 7 different designs. You can see on the side of the box the 7 different designs and the 7 different writing and drawing tips. Let's see what's in the box. So in the box we have the all-important instruction booklet. We have the tool itself. We have the stand, which looks a wee bit flimsy. And is flimsy. That's the wee tips. That's the wee stamps. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, I'm just going to get a wee piece of wood and heat this tool up and see what it goes like. I'll just do a wee quick test here just to see how quickly it burns. Seems to burn actually very quickly. Yep. Yep, it burns quite quickly. I'm going to take this away and do a wee drawing on a better piece of wood, and I'll show you at the end of the video what it turns out like. So it's an hour later and this is the results of my hard work. It's a leprechaun.
So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.
Until the next time, thanks very much for watching.